Yolngu Radio COVID-19 boy.
Yo wala namarway bukmak tuwal ngara gamarang Dr. Jamie ngara kanina dial Galiwin'ku kadual wanga diang bala COVID merwanga ka diang bala ngara kanina Dr. Lisa wal. Yo Dr. Lisa namertni.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Lisa.
Can you tell us about Yolngu? Who are you and what's your background?
Sure. So I live in Nhulunbuy and I work at Grove Hospital and I work over on Groot Island as well. And I'm here to help out with the COVID response team that's happening in Galiwin'ku at the moment.
Mark, thank you for being here. Can you tell us about your role here on Galiwin'ku at the moment?
So I'm what they call the medical lead. So what I'm trying to do is make sure that all of that wonderful testing and vaccinating that's happening is doing its thing, but I'm trying to make sure that we look after the people who might get sick and that we keep an eye on the people who are what we call vulnerable. So maybe the old ones or the young ones or people with the kidney diseases, things like that. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Yo, sangay ka jaga ngorke Yolngu Yolngu ga riri mer Yolngu nakon ngoloyol dorinin ngo wa riri mer nakon dor boy wo borwit boy riri wo drink boy riri ya balanya manmak liber kanama tiang bala tarwa Yolngu manmak people are not getting very sick at the moment manmak that's really good, but what are things for people to look out for? When they have that COVID sickness, they might be feeling okay for a little while. You're
So you're right. It's really good that most people aren't getting too sick at all. So we're very happy about that. But what can happen with some people is they feel muck for quite a few days, but then even as long as a week later, then they can start feeling really sick, get short of breath, coughing lots, might get big fevers and might be finding it really hard to breathe, short wind. And that's when we want to make sure that we don't miss people. So we still need to know if that starts happening.
Yo, so nakon balanya po Yolngu ngolani COVID mer magmak you're being or even 1 week magnido unariri do yaiter nakon ngir merier ka gormorter ka magnido indinito ka jarayon. You might get very tired as well. Ka balanya meriwaloy, if people are feeling really sick like that, Dr. Lisa, naltamalato.
So people feeling really sick, then it's really important to call the clinic and talk to the clinic. We are coming out to houses and checking on people and trying to keep an eye on people as well to help the clinic, so the clinic can be free for the ones that are really sick. We're trying to just check on the people who are just feeling either muck or just a little bit sick. But if you start getting really sick or someone in your house you're noticing is really short of breath, short of wind, then it's important to call the clinic and get them reviewed by the clinic.
Yo, manmak. Yo, so na we nguleni COVID mer kanika ngariri ka yaiter kanidong merier ka gormater ringim up white pelel. Wong ngule urpo gurutu mer mala no kalwanga ngor ka riri ka yaiter ring him up white pelel yakagalkun. And we will be going around trying to check up on people, but we don't always get to everyone. Bile na darwa Yolngu diang bala COVID mer manmak. So manmak na pagkajaga Yolngu Yolngu riri mer Yolngu warpam Yolngu yor na we badak ngune COVID rom ka ngora nakon kong rorgion mer ka na mask limurto ka baki. Dr. Lisa, can you tell us about those things that we should keep doing to keep protecting ourselves and to protect our family.
Yeah, so the important things are lots and lots of hand washing hands all the time. If you're coughing and sneezing into your elbow or down your shirt, not out and onto everybody, wearing those masks out and about, and if you're around sick people, getting your vaccines to help stay healthy, and making sure that you see the clinic if you start getting sick and staying away from people if you are feeling unwell.
Yo, main mak. So, lemur to ka gong rorgion mer job to ka mask lemur to ka baki ka lemur to ka sharing na banikan ngarle mulana ka main mak lemur to ka galkin ninan wal Yolngu wal so trying to stay a little bit away from Yolngu. Alanya nakon midire rom gangora ka tual ngorong dokar lemorong kulmran raw tual ready padak ngai COVID vaccine ka maknuma marangal marma maklorkon. And I know everyone is a bit sick of hearing that vaccine story. You're ngunangai ngorong dokar kulmran raw tual ready mak padak nito ka ready maram COVID ready you're yakanito yai ready maram yakanito. Manyak, thank you, Dr. Lisa. Thank you for talking with us. Thank you for nungo jama dial. Manyak, markap mer walal Yolngu. Jujut na